my god guys, I'm so glad to have found this option on the desktop for Windows as well as Mac. This is really easy, you can just do it by one click. Okay, so in here, as per the title, I'm showing you guys on how to access or maybe post anything on your Instagram using your desktop. So that could be if you're using Chrome, Safari, I don't know, Firefox, or whichever browser that you're using, this method should work perfectly. And oh, by the way, stay until the end because I'm going to be showing you guys a quick trick on how to actually remove a background from your photos, like how I'm showing you guys on the thumbnail of this video, and that without using Photoshop. And before I forget, I've already shown this on my Instagram account, so go ahead and watch it there if you would like. Otherwise, stay until the end in here. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I bring a lot of tips and tricks for you guys in there and some great information that you can use or perhaps level up your tech experience. And whatever you're doing, whether it's mobile phone, desktop, laptop, I don't know, Mac, iPad, iPhone, tablet, you name it. Alright, so let's get on to it.
Hi, what's up? This is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about the tech, whether they're tech issues, reviews, tutorials, unboxing and much more, and that all in one right here on this channel.
In front of me you can see the Windows version of this that I've used or opened on Chrome. You can see that I've got the plus icon in here, which means it'll allow me to upload or maybe post any picture that I would like. However, there are a few things that you can't do in here, which I'll talk about in a minute, but for now I'm gonna just let you guys know how you could get to this page as well as what things you could do when you do get to this page. So what you could do is you could edit your profile, you know, upload pictures, you could upload stories, like any comment, I don't know, search up for stuff, open stories, oh, and you can also send messages and much more. Now to do this trick on Windows, you can be on any browser. You can be on Safari, you can be on Firefox, Chrome. So right now I am on Chrome, and to get to this page you click on anywhere on the page. It's a right click on your mouse that you do, click on inspect, and then on the right hand side or maybe sometimes on the bottom hand side you should see a window with loads of writing which you don't care about. But the one thing that you do care about is the little icon with the tablet and the phone next to it. It's an icon that you want to click on for you to be able to get to this page. However, if you couldn't get the plus icon on the Instagram, like at the bottom, you can always refresh the page and that should bring it in no time. Okay, so that was for Windows version. Hey, if you've made it so far into the video, stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys on how to actually do the same thing on Mac. The process on Mac is simple but not the same. And here I'll be opening Safari and I'll be showing you guys how to do that in that browser. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is obviously open Safari, go onto the Safari icon or the writing on the top left hand side of your screen, then go on to where it says preferences, and then you want to select advanced tab. Now at the bottom you should see something called show develop menu and menu bar. So that's what you want to tick. So you want to make sure that the tick is blue. Now after doing that, go and open a new Safari tab. What you want to do, you don't want to be closing the whole window, but instead you want to be opening a new tab from the right hand side of the screen, and then go on to develop. Actually, first of all, just write instagram.com on the URL bar and then go on to where it says develop, and from the top of the screen is a tab called develop, and then go on to user agent. then from the right hand side just select any of the options that you would like for your iPhone. Say if you wanted to use iPhone, iPod Touch or iPad version, you can select any, but in this case we are interested in iPhone version. Okay, so click on the iPhone version, and this should in turn make your screen as if you're using it like a phone, or maybe the same size as a phone screen. Okay, and like how I said on the Windows version, in here check if you can see the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and if you can't, just refresh the same page. You don't need to open any other tab, and then this should give you the plus icon. And same way you can just upload anything that you would like. However, there's two things that you can't do with this version of this type of video, which I'm going to be showing you guys on another version of this volume 2. So the other version of this video is going to be called volume 2. There's two things that you won't be able to do in here are uploading videos or uploading carousels. So carousels are the multiple videos that you upload, or maybe the multiple pictures that you upload onto the Instagram. And for these two, you'll be able to upload it with the other trick that I'm going to be showing you guys on another video. Okay, so just to make that clear, there's two things I'm going to be showing you guys in another version of this. Obviously it may not be the same trick that I've used today, it will be a different system that I'm going to be using, which so you might not have to download any third-party applications. It may be just off your desktop or whatever you're using. Alright, but otherwise it's okay if someone would like to just, you know, post up just a single item, you know. Okay, so on Mac you want to make sure that after you're finished, you want to go back to your settings and change the agent back to the default, so then that way you don't watch the future windows as a mobile version, and that way you're not hanging on to the mobile version of the screen, which you may not want to do for other websites. Okay, and on Windows, if you want to come out of the mobile version screen, then you just want to close the tab or maybe open a different tab, and it should all be fine. You don't have to change any settings. Okay, so last but not least, in here we're going to be talking about how to actually remove your background from any of your photos. Okay, it's just one click away. So what you want to do is go onto a website called Remove Background. So the URL is like, you write remove.bg. Okay, I'll have the link on the description box below, so don't worry, you can go there, just check it for yourself. Okay, so from there you want to upload an image like so, and then you select the image. This should load the image for you on the screen and just remove the background without you having to even select anything, and then just simply download it from the button download, and that should be it. Lastly, if you do have any questions regarding any of my videos or anything that you don't know, just put them on the comment section of this video, and then I shall get back to you as soon as I can. Or otherwise you can visit my Instagram and you can just post a comment in there. That way I can get to you as soon as, because I get the notifications on my phone, and that way I can just get to you as soon as you commented. And I don't know how many of my subscribers or viewers have Twitter account, because I recently have made a Twitter account where I post about my daily life as well as tech, anything that's going on in the world. So you can join me there. Just go there, search for the Tech Girl 007, and then you shall find me with no issues. Just follow me and let's join the club.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you in some ways. If you're a new viewer, I would love to have you on here and hope that you subscribe and press on that bell icon. However, if you are a returning subscriber, please share the word by liking and sharing this video. Oh, and by the way, I do have some videos on the description box of this video, and all of my playlists listed are there as well. Take care.